वेलकम टू वायनाड। दिस इज डे 3 इन वायनाड और आज हम जा रहे हैं टू द ग्लास ब्रिज। Imagine walking on top of a glass bridge at a height of 100 feet. Wouldn't that be scary? What if the glass bridge is made up in the middle of the forest? If you are one of those people who wants to experience this is the video for you. The glass bridge, which is in Wayanad, to which we are going to go right now, is one of a kind in India and is owned by a private resort. It offers the best 360-degree view of the tropical rainforest in southern India. The bridge is at a height of 100 feet from the ground, and all the material used for the bridge, including the fiberglass, is imported directly from Italy. Oh yes, zipline. Now these are the kind of zip lines I was talking about in the last video. तो अभी हम लोग पहुंच चुके हैं at the area. यहाँ पे 3 किलोमीटर पहले we have to park the car and take a jeep. So the charges for the jeeps are 1,500 and you can split the cost with 6 to 7 people. So we are waiting here on someone to share the jeep with us.
A few moments later.
And the off-roading begins. At first it just looks like a normal off-road patch, but just a few meters later,
बॉडी मसाज
पूरा
फ्री में बॉडी मसाज
free में no, we are paying.
फ्री में नहीं पे किया
Well, I have to appreciate my phone's camera, the way it has smoothened out the footage. I was hanging on for my life with one hand and the other hand was recording.
लाइक शेयर कर दीजिए.
You can imagine how much the phone and the hand was shaking and moving around. Trust me, it was fully handheld. There was no extra selfie stick or a gimbal used over here. Also, one more thing, the roads look much better here in the camera, but trust me, it wasn't at all. You know what's more scary than trusting a driver whom you don't even know and the track? Being chased down by another car. On the camera right now, the angle of inclination of the road is nothing. It just looks like a normal inclination, but trust me, the inclination was very much. If you're one of those people who have not gone off-roading before, I think for this experience alone, I would recommend you to come to this place. Well, on the internet I had read that you can get your 4x4 vehicle up here, but I did not see any private vehicles here, so maybe they don't allow them anymore, but I think you can come here and find out with them. Crazy off-road, pura body massage ho gaya, but now we are finally here. So these are the ticket charges. You'll get a ticket which looks something like this. On top here you also have a restaurant, a small bird cage and many more places to sit down as well if you get tired. And from the drop point of the jeep you have to walk for about 100 meters to reach the glass bridge and the Treetop viewpoint and a swing. Watchtower also over here. We'll go there, don't worry. Steps है but जाएंगे. And this is very steep. कैमरा में उतना दिख रहा नहीं, but it is very steep. इवन दो इट्स अ ग्लास ब्रिज, ये फ्रेम्स है तो उतना डर नहीं लगता है, एंड प्लेस इज ऑल्सो वेरी नाइस. That's the swing I was talking about, and for sure I will take a swing on it. So next up is the treetop view. बहुत चलने का है but it is good. So yeah. तो यहाँ पे वो ग्लास ब्रिज था, यहाँ पे स्विंग है, लाइन है वहाँ पे. विल ट्राई टू गो, ट्राई नहीं मोस्टली जाएंगे. So yeah, going on the treetop view, and it's all metal like this steps. तो चलते हैं. So we are going here on this. Yeah, we're going here on this tree. And we were left over there somewhere. So ये पूरा चल के ऊपर आने का. Lucky enough, no one is up here. Yes. Kind of similar view from the glass point, but this is a bit higher. One last good look at this view from on top over here for you guys before we head to the swing. So now the tree house is done. Abhi swing देखेंगे कितना crowd है and we'll decide. I said before we will decide because the Jeep said it would only wait for 1 hour and it's almost time up. That's the glass bridge from another angle. Even though we were getting a bit late, we decided to wait for our turn at the swing. Oh yes, tickets for the swing are separate. Next up was the archery and rifle area. The rates here were 50 rupees for 3 bullets. I did not do it as we did not have much time left as our 1 hour was already up. In total, off-road time is almost 40 to 35 minutes.
No road, no problem.
Quite literally. Now it's time to head down, and the descent was actually as fun as the ascent. So made a new friend here.
गाइस सब्सक्राइब कर दो बाइक को, चैनल को सपोर्ट कर दो. और यहाँ का जो एक्सपीरियंस था बाइक के साथ बहुत बढ़िया था.
Same here. आपका नाम नहीं बोले आप?
मेरा नाम शेख नाजिल है.
Yes.
Okay.
Wait, but before heading out from here, I have to show you all this. I had seen a few people in the water before while we were parking our car. This reminded me of the offbeat explorations I do otherwise in Goa. Parking lot वहाँ पे था.
ठंडा ठंडा मौसम है, बहुत ठंडा है इधर.
Now, with the glass bridge and the swing done, we plan on heading towards the zip line, which was said to be Wayanad's longest zip line, with our new made friends. Also, this is the same road which goes to Suchipura waterfall, so I guess we might go there as well. The roads here after the glass bridge are a bit narrow and not in the best conditions, but you can manage on them. So zip line is 300 and it goes from here till there. But abhi they have gone for lunch break. Right now they have gone for lunch break. तो पता नहीं हम लोग अभी रुकेंगे या जाएंगे. But I'll keep you guys updated. So while waiting for the zip line in the car, I mean for the people to come, it started raining very heavily. फिर भी हम रुकेंगे in the car for like 10-15 minutes to see if the rain stops or it gets less. Otherwise, I don't think I'll do because extra कपड़े भी नहीं लाए and we are a bit far from our hotel. So पूरा गीला होके बैठना पड़ेगा. देखेंगे क्या होता है. I'll keep you guys updated.
One eternity later.
And the rains did not stop at all. So disappointed, we are heading back. But just like Goa, Kerala too looks beautiful when it's raining. While heading back, बारिश थोड़ा कम हुआ, so we took a little stop at the nearest tea plantations which we could find. Saw some tea trees up close and also saw how these ladies harvest tea leaves. Let me know in the comment section if you are a tea person or a coffee person. I would love to know that. As for me, I am a coffee person.
A few moments later.
So as you saw, बारिश रुका है नहीं. So we came back to Kalpetta and now we'll be again going for some local marketing and that's it. We'll call it a day. Glass bridge and the swing, I mean that whole park area, even the off-road experience, you should definitely try it out if you're here. I mean it's worth the money you pay. Hypermarkets. So as you saw कि हम लोग ने कुछ shopping की and yeah, the car is pretty much full right now. It's a mess. Proper arrange करेंगे तभी आपको दिखाता हूँ. And yeah, one more update. The zip line which I had missed, as in we came back early. Nazil, our new friend, he stayed there for the zip line, but unluckily they didn't start it since, so he didn't get to experience it. So in a way, we came back was kind of good because at least we got to shop a little bit and we took a little rest. Where are we staying? We are staying at Afaz Udpi restaurant and hotel. We have someone in the family who is pure veg. तो प्योर वेज रेस्टोरेंट सिर्फ यहाँ पे ये एक ही है, which is Udpi Pure Veg Restaurant. I'll put the location in the description below. Tomorrow we are leaving Wayanad. Where are we going? So yeah, see you in the next video. Until then, thank you so much for sharing, subscribing and watching my videos. I will see you in the next one.